Hi, I'm going to show you just very quickly a few different exercises which can be really helpful as an early way of addressing early onset of back pain when your back just needs to get moving and needs to be reintroduced to some of the different movement patterns that it's maybe forgetting or avoiding because of pain. So the first one to do, lying on your back, hugging both knees into your chest. They'll rock side to side. I'd advise you spend a minute or so on each of these. I'm just going to go through them quickly. Second one to do, reaching one leg out long, draw one knee in towards your chest and hug your knee into your chest. Let your long leg be relaxed along the ground. Let the back of your head relax into the ground. And then switching over, hugging the other knee into your chest and letting the long leg be long along the ground. Okay, then we can bring both feet to finding the ground. Let the arms come out to the side. Inhale into your belly. As you exhale, drop the knees over to one side. Inhale to come back to the middle, and then exhale and drop them over to the other side. So this is bringing some rotation into the spine. Just gently working through. Spend a minute or so doing this. Always having the sense of breathing into your center and a connection between your legs and your center. Then we can go into doing some pelvic tilting. So we breathe into our belly, and as we exhale, close down the space behind your lower back. The pelvis slightly rolls backwards. I have a longer video on this if you struggle with this exercise. Inhale, rolling forwards to come back to where you started. Exhale, rolling backwards, closing down the space. Okay, and then the final exercise we can do, if you come over onto hands and knees. So your wrists underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. This is in yoga is called a cat-cow. So we're just going to focus on moving from the tail. Imagine you have a tail. As you inhale into your belly, the tail moves up. And as that happens, you get a ripple of movement that goes along the spine, and maybe the head moves up. And as you exhale, sucking the belly in, the tail moves down between the legs, and you can look down in between the legs at your tail. Inhaling, the tilt up, exhaling, the tilt down. Okay, so that's just a very quick run through of a few simple exercises that you can do as a nice morning routine of back mobility, strengthening, mobilizing exercises if you're suffering from back pain that just needs to get moving a little bit more. Okay, good luck.